Konnichiwa, everyone. Welcome back to Imagenish Videos. I'm Neela, and today, we're diving into the heartwarming world of Japanese cuisine. Join me as we explore the delicious and fascinating world of Chankonabe, a traditional Japanese hot pot dish. But wait, there's more to Chankonabe than meets the eye. We'll be uncovering some unknown facts that will leave you craving for more. First things first, where did Chankonabe originate? While it's commonly associated with Japan, did you know that its roots can be traced back to China? Yes, that's right. Chankonabe, or hot pot, made its way to Japan centuries ago and has since evolved into a culinary masterpiece. For example, during the chilly winter months, you might find hearty Chankonabe featuring ingredients like Napa cabbage, shiitake mushrooms, and thinly sliced pork. In the summer, lighter variations with fresh vegetables and seafood take the spotlight. Chankonabe etiquette. Did you know there's a proper way to enjoy this communal meal? Traditionally, it's considered polite to wait for everyone to gather around the table before diving into the simmering pot. Also, don't forget to use separate chopsticks for picking up raw ingredients and cooked ones to maintain hygiene and share the love. Japan is known for its diverse culinary landscape, and Chankonabe is no exception. Different regions boast their unique variations of Chankonabe, each with its distinctive flavors and ingredients. From the rich miso-based Chankonabe in Hokkaido to the savory soy sauce-based Chankonabe in Kansai, there's a world of flavors waiting to be explored. Believe it or not, Chankonabe has its fair share of superstitions and traditions. In some households, it's considered bad luck to leave any ingredients uneaten, as it may bring misfortune. So, it's not just about enjoying a delicious meal but also embracing cultural beliefs that add an extra layer of meaning to the dining experience. Time to add a zesty twist to our Chankonabe adventure. Did you know that in some regions of Japan, especially in the colder months, people add a surprising ingredient to their Chankonabe for a burst of flavor? It's none other than yuzu, a citrus fruit with a unique and refreshing taste. The addition of yuzu not only enhances the overall flavor but also provides a delightful aromatic experience. Chankonabe for celebrations. Chankonabe isn't just a comfort food, it's also a dish of celebration. In Japan, it's common to enjoy a special type of Chankonabe called udafu during the winter solstice. This celebration, known as toji, involves eating a hot pot filled with tofu and other ingredients to bring warmth and good fortune during the longest night of the year. Health benefits. Beyond its delicious taste, Chankonabe comes with some surprising health benefits. The simmering broth, often infused with various herbs and spices, is not only flavorful but can also have medicinal properties. It's believed to boost the immune system, improve digestion, and keep you warm during the colder months. You don't have to go to a restaurant to enjoy a fantastic Chankonabe experience. In Japan, it's common for friends and family to have DIY Chankonabe parties at home. A portable stove is set up at the center of the dining table, and everyone gets involved in adding their favorite ingredients to create a personalized hot pot masterpiece. It's a fun and interactive way to share a meal and bond with loved ones. Chankonabe isn't just confined to dining tables. It has made its mark in Japanese pop culture too. You might be surprised to learn that Chankonabe has appeared in various anime, manga, and even movies. Here's a chilling fact for you. Literally, in certain regions of Japan, especially in the snowy north, there's a unique variation of Chankonabe known as Yukiguni Chankonabe, or snow country hot pot. Instead of a traditional pot, this Chankonabe is prepared outdoors by placing ingredients directly on a bed of snow. Now that's a cool twist on a hot dish. Chankonabe isn't just about eating, it's a social ritual. In many Japanese households, families and friends gather around the Chankonabe pot not only to enjoy a delicious meal but also to share stories, laughter, and warmth. The act of cooking and eating together fosters a sense of community and strengthens bonds, making Chankonabe more than just a dish, it's a shared experience. In different countries, you'll find variations inspired by the concept of communal hot pot dining. From Chinese hot pot to Korean jangal, the idea of gathering around a bubbling pot of goodness transcends borders and cultures, showcasing the universal appeal of this communal cooking style. Chankonabe season in Japan. In Japan, there's a dedicated season for enjoying Chankonabe known as Chankonabe Gassen, or Hot Pot Battle. This unofficial season typically starts in late autumn and lasts throughout winter. During this time, supermarkets and restaurants offer special Chankonabe ingredients, and families engage in friendly competitions to create the most delicious and creative Chankonabe dishes. And there you have it. More intriguing and unknown facts about Japanese Chankonabe than you might have expected. I hope these tidbits added a new layer of appreciation for this beloved dish. If you have any Chankonabe stories or unique variations you'd like to share, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the world of flavors, and sayonara. Please like, comment, and subscribe.